As digitalization sweeps across the world in the era of Industry 4.0, Guangzhou Orio Technology Co Limited, Orio, driven by product innovation, continues upgrading its intelligent production system to boost production. With a 48,000 square meter modern production base, Orio focuses on commercial exhibition business. At Orio, we're committed to build a super factory complex with a complete industrial chain ecosystem. Our 80 high-precision injection molding machines are capable of manufacturing conventional, high-precision, and irregular-shaped components. Our 20 extrusion lines are capable of developing modified formulas and producing multiple custom-made materials. Our 20 high-end machining facilities quickly complete machining flows from product designs to mold designs and then to fine finished molds. Our 50 high-precision punching machines are suitable for manufacturing metal components of all dimensions and irregular shapes on a large scale. Our 120 high-precision shelving production facilities thoroughly automatic and refined production. Our 20 intelligent flexible assembly lines provide integrated, custom-made assembly and packaging solutions for whole multiple industries. Our over 30 acrylic production facilities focus on high-end, custom-made production. Our 10,000 square meters high-standard warehouse with an intelligent warehousing system and the King D Cloud Enterprise Management System supports logistics, express delivery, and direct distribution by our own trucks in China. We also provide one-stop services, including customs declaration, sea freight, and air freight in international markets. Certified as a national high-tech enterprise and a national distinctive and innovative SME, Orio has developed a multi-dimensional quality management system. We have built a R&D team of top talent and obtained over 100 patents. As a result, our third-generation gravity shelving is an industry benchmark for its excellent performance. Moreover, we have developed a customer management system with Share CRM to establish a hierarchical service system. Our all-module ERP management system ensures steady corporate operations. Based in the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area, we deliver services worldwide. Our customers are top home appliance, retail, and beverage brands. As a long-term partner of multiple world-famous brands, we are fast increasing growing brand. Every breakthrough begins with exploration. Every leading position depends on perseverance. From intelligent manufacturing to global collaboration, we not only create value, but also deliver the power of growth. Orio, a new benchmark for the intelligent manufacturing of commercial exhibition.